Are you still struggling with how to trade the head and shoulder pattern? Don't worry, in this video I got you covered. I'm going to teach you how to trade the head and shoulder pattern. I spotted a head and shoulder pattern on the daily time frame. I came over to the 4 hours time frame to understand the trend. I noticed that the market is currently selling. What I did next was I pulled out my horizontal line to get my second confirmation, and then I noticed that the market has broken below the former low. Next thing I did was I pulled out my triangle to get my order block, and then I noticed that there was a fair value gap, and then the market has tested that fair value gap twice. So it gave me the strong mind to place this trade. As usual, I placed my trade 5 entry. I entered this trade 5 entry, and the next thing I did after placing my entry was to set my stop loss. As you guys know, my stop loss is very, very important to me. So my stop loss is 15 pips above my entry. So it's above because I am selling. I'm currently holding a sell. So now I don't just place 15 pips stop loss. I place 15 pips stop loss above my resistance level or support level, because I always have it in mind that the market will always go back to retest that same entry. So if your stop loss is not well chosen, you will have a problem with that. So I took a screenshot because I intended to drop the signal on my Telegram channel. So if you're not on my Telegram channel, ensure you join my Telegram channel, because I drop signal for them as well, so we make money together. So after I finished dropping this my signal, the next thing I did was I head over back to my MetaTrader, and then I started adding my my stop loss one by one on each of my trade. So that's what I did. I started adding my stop loss one by one each of my trades. So if you don't have discipline, stop loss is there to help you, put your discipline in check. That means if the trade closes, hits your stop loss and closes, you don't have to force it. You just have to leave it. That means that trade was not meant to sell or buy. So what you need to do is to step out. The next day or the next 2 days, you come back to look for another entry. Don't force the market to go your way. So now the next thing I did was, now I started looking for a place to put my TP. So I came over to the 30 minutes to check how long and how far this market is going to sell. So you can see me trying to place my TP. So I placed my TP on the immediate low, the immediate support or resistance level. That is where I place my TP. So because I'm not a greedy trader though, and the kind of losses I'm using, so if my TP is there, if the market just move 50 pips, 60 pips, or even 70 pips to my TP, I'm already on $3,000, $4,000. Except maybe I want to hold a swing trend. If I want to hold a swing trend, that is my pin bar strategy. So if you have not watched that, my pin bar strategy, ensure you watch that that video, pin bar strategy, because I use that to enter my swing trade. So you can see me copy my TP to add on all my trade. So initially I was on 260 profit, and then the market moved 60 pips below my entry. So I'm currently on $900 and something, $959 profit. I held this trade up to $3,000 profit. So this is how I trade my head and shoulder pattern every day. The first thing you need to do is spot it on the highest time frame. The second thing is go lower to the daily 4 hours time frame to check what is going on. First daily time frame, second 4 hours time frame. We don't trade against the highest time frame. The next thing you want to do now is you go over to the 15 minutes and look for a confirmation. Then lastly, go lower to 5 minutes or 1 minute to ensure that you get another entry, maybe like the pin bar or multiple rejection, upward rejection that will support your entry. You get, so I got like 2 upward rejection which supported my entry. Then that is where I took my entry. So that is how to trade the head and shoulder pattern. Never you enter a trade without confirmation. So you can see the market is still crushing down, and I'm currently on 2,800. I ended up closing this trade on $3,000. So never you trade against the highest time frame, that is the daily time frame. If you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button, like, share, follow. See you next video.